Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 20th of March 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.22. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 14.13%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.01% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently exists in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may occur within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of nearly 30% decrease over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from nearly 47% loss to about 8% loss. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of over 115%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between approximately 67% and 548% over the next year. In current terms, this suggests a future price range between $12.86 and $50. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, High Volatility in Rigetti Computing, Inc. stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $7.72. The Rigetti Computing, Inc. stock price decreased by 7.32% on the last day, Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, from $8.33 to $7.72. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 19.07%, ranging from a low of $7.53 to a high of $8.96. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 21.38% during this period. Volume also decreased on the last day, which often indicates a positive sign, as volume should align with stock performance. On that day, trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 42 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $324.37 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, and the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price stands 63.96%, or $13.70, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Rigetti Computing, ticker RGTI, have experienced a tumultuous ride. In the first quarter of 2025, RGTI stock plummeted by nearly half, with a sharp decline occurring in January. This steep drop underscores the volatility in the quantum computing sector, especially following the company's public debut through a special-purpose acquisition company merger in early 2022. However, there are glimmers of hope. Recently, Rigetti was selected to participate in the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency's Quantum Benchmarking Initiative, a move likely to boost investor confidence in their technological capabilities. Additionally, the stock has benefited from broader market trends, particularly a recent rally among quantum computing stocks, spurred by new government initiatives and a recovery in artificial intelligence sectors. Investor attention remains high, with analysts expressing optimism about potential future gains. Despite the significant price cuts, indications suggest that RGTI could be seen as undervalued. The introduction of a new 2x leveraged exchange-traded fund for Rigetti near the beginning of April also indicates renewed interest and potential for speculative trading. Looking ahead, while the short-term outlook may remain uncertain due to past performance, the strategic government partnerships and rising market sentiment could enhance RGTI's position in the long run. Hence, while current trends show volatility, the prospects for recovery could play a pivotal role in stabilizing and potentially increasing the stock price over time. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also gave RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam rated RGTI as a buy with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham provided RGTI with a buy rating and a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley gave RGTI a buy rating alongside an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell classification. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 2.93%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The stock of Rigetti Computing Inc. currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between these two moving averages, wherein the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $7.99 and $9.01. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 119 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 41 days ago. Upon reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages has generated a buy signal from 4 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing, Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $7.70. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval as indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $1.44 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 19.07%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 16.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established firms can have downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 50 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level, for Rigetti Computing is at $8.51. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $7.70. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, David executed an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. performed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, David also executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, David conducted another insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 8.739. In total, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. shows several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by approximately 34.8 cents and begin trading at $8.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.